Hey guys, what's up? It's Jordan here, back at Lawn Lessons with Jordan. Today we're going to be talking about something a lot of people overlook or don't even think about: winterizing your lawn, getting it ready for the winter so you get a really nice bounce back in the spring. We're going to be going over the steps of when to start, how to do it, and best practices. Let's dive in. When the leaves start falling on your lawn, a lot of people think that's just the end of the year, but that's actually when you want to start that step-by-step process. By following that step-by-step process, you're going to have more nutrient availability for your grass, strengthen your grass roots. You're going to help prevent snow mold and disease, and then that's going to ensure your lawn bounces back in the spring nice, thick, and green. Here are the steps you want to follow when you start winterizing your lawn. You want your temps to be above 50 degrees still, and you want the grass is going to start to slow down in growth, but you still want it to be green and alive. For most of those northern or cool season regions, that's going to be late October to early November, but again, it all depends on where you live. Here are the steps you want to take when you're winterizing that lawn, getting it ready for that snow time. The first thing you want to do is mowing. You want to get that lawn a final mow of between 2 to 2.5 inches. This is going to ensure your grass isn't going to be matted over, storing excess nutrients, and preventing snow mold. Step 2, you want to make sure that your lawn is clear of all debris, let's say leaves, sticks, twigs, anything like that. If that stuff sits on top of the grass, it's going to compact it, it's going to mat it down very low, and then it's going to give you, again, that snow mold opportunity, or it's going to make your lawn thin going into the spring season. This one's optional, but you want to aerate the lawn in the fall. Aeration does a lot of things for the lawn. It's going to open it up, help it breathe, and then ensure more water, nutrients down into those soil roots, and let those soil roots dive deep, ensuring a thicker lawn for the springtime. The next step is applying a winterizer fertilizer. You don't want this to be too high in nitrogen, and then you want to add some potassium in there as well. That potassium is going to help those cell walls strengthen, and then hopefully keep them over the winter time fed till spring. The last thing you want to do is water one last time, get that fertilizer watered in to those soil roots, give that grass something to feed onto, and then once that winter time comes, the grass is going to be ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for next time's video.